Here at XYON, DHT is a common hot topic, and we know that DHT is a main culprit for male pattern hair loss. So let's go through some of the most common natural DHT blockers and what we would recommend. Pumpkin seed oil. So pumpkin seed oil is composed of predominantly saturated and unsaturated fats, as well as a powerful ingredient called beta-acetylsterol. There has been some research to show that pumpkin seed oil can actually promote hair regrowth, and further research will show that likely this could be a promising alternative treatment. Green tea. Green tea is chock full of antioxidants and come from compounds called flavonols. There is one type of flavanol particularly that is quite potent called EGCG. One mouse study did actually show that EGCG can competitively bind androgen receptors and block DHT from binding, and as a result may be helpful for things like androgenetic alopecia. However, it's more likely that green tea extract also helps because of its ability to improve blood circulation. As a result, more oxygen and nutrient delivery to hair follicles would be of benefit. Caffeine. There actually has been a lot of research surrounding caffeine and its ability to boost circulation and blood flow. This can only be a good thing for hair follicles with more oxygen and nutrient delivery. There also has been some evidence to demonstrate whether caffeine can potentially block the effects of testosterone on hair follicles, but likely further research needs to be done to see if this is a natural DHT blocker. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil has been studied extensively for its natural DHT blocking abilities and therefore its ability to be useful in hair regrowth. A study has demonstrated that 5-alpha reductase is inhibited by 80% with the use of topical rosemary oil. As well, rosemary oil has had vasodilatory effects, meaning it can improve blood circulation, as well as antimicrobial effects to really optimize the scalp environment to regrow hair. Also, a study did actually demonstrate when compared to topical minoxidil, there is comparable results with regards to hair counts. Overall, rosemary oil can be a great adjunct into natural regimens for hair regrowth. Saw palmetto. Now, this is an agent that can come in the format of topical application as well as oral, and this has been studied actually in both formats. In men that have male pattern hair loss, about 60% of patients that took these in either format noticed improvements in overall hair quality, as well as about 27% reporting improvements in hair counts. Although this preliminary research is promising, when it comes to finasteride versus saw palmetto, I still think finasteride takes the win because of its clinical efficacy and safety overall as a medication for hair loss. So in summary, as you can see, there are a number of natural ingredients out there that have benefits for possible DHT blockade, some with more compelling evidence than others. There's no downside to adding a natural DHT blocker into your hair care regimen, and in fact may give you a boost to optimizing your scalp and hair health. While it's unlikely that natural DHT blockers on their own are going to grow your hair significantly, it's a great way to support your prescription treatments for your hair loss. Reach out to your doctor or connect with us at xyonhealth.com to get your consultation started. There are also a number of retail-ready natural DHT blocking shampoos, conditioners, and scalp health treatments that are also available online. Until next time, thanks for connecting.